Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the ABS, brake, pump, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the ABS, brake pump, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both vehicles are built on the same platform. It should apply to both. The main difference is the Suburban is a little bit longer. Quick reminder guys, 9 out of 10 people that have one of these do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are all over the SUV. That's why we made a very helpful video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. What you need to do now, open guys the hood. When you open the hood, facing the engine now on the driver's side, you see right here you have the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have that cover. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, okay, we need to check 2 fuses. We'll talk about the relays in a little bit. Let's zoom in so you can clearly see now guys. And the first fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 2. This is one of the main fuses. This is a 60 amp fuse, J-case fuse. That's the one that you will need to check. After that guys, you will need to locate one more, which is known as fuse number 35. That's a 25 amp fuse, and we're talking about that fuse right here. Now what about relays guys? These relays, none of those will be for the ABS and traction control system. There are no relays unless on the bottom of the box, if you take it apart on the very bottom, you actually guys may have some relays that are integrated in it, but they're not serviceable. And practically they're welded together to the board, so in that case, okay, you will need to replace to really know what you're doing, or you need to replace your fuse box. But check if you have some there. Most of the times you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.